Experiments at Fermilab in the US suggest subatomic particles called muons are not behaving as predicted by the standard model of particle physics. This hints at the existence of an unknown new force. The standard model successfully describes the behavior of fundamental particles and forces, but has limitations. Finding particles or forces outside of it would be a major discovery. The Fermilab team needs to collect more data over the next couple years to confirm their initial findings and reduce uncertainties. Rival teams at CERN's Large Hadron Collider are also searching for cracks in the standard model. If conclusively proven, this new force could lead to a revolution in physics on par with Einstein's theories of relativity. It would require rewriting textbooks on particle physics. The standard model can't fully explain observations like dark matter and dark energy. A new force could potentially help explain these cosmic mysteries. Confirming the existence of a fifth force would be one of the biggest breakthroughs in physics in decades.